Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see ratio word problem for year 5 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Ratio. Sally and Mark have a total of $252. The ratio of Sally's money to the Mark's money is 7:5. How much more money does Sally have than Mark? To solve this question, as he has mentioned you that Sally's money and the Mark's money, they are in the ratio of 7:5. We have to make the boxes for Sally and Mark. As you can see that Sally has the ratio of 7, so I have drawn 7 boxes here. Mark has the ratio of 5, so I have drawn 5 boxes. They say that together they have $252. So together if I say that they have $252. Can we see that how many boxes are there which is going to give you the answer as $252? This is 7 and this is 5. Together is 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 boxes. Let's write down here 12 boxes is equal to $252. I need to calculate the answer for one box first. So the answer for one box will be 252 divided by $12. I need to divide it. How we can divide it? As you can see that I have drawn the chart here. 2, 5, 2 I have written and there are lines here. So this is 2, so I have drawn 2 lines here. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines I have drawn. 2 is 1, 2 lines. I have to divide it with 12. So this number should be divisible by 12. Is 2 divisible by 12? No, right? So that means this should be cut and it should be written here 0 because it is not divisible. These 2 will be carried out here and it will be 25. I have to make 25 lines in the combination of 12 lines each. Let's draw that here again. I will erase this. I have to draw 25 lines in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and one more. Now I have to divide it with 12. If I divide it with 12, this will be cut and it will be answer will be 1. This will be again cut with 12 and answer will be 2. So it will be 2 here and 1 is left over here which will be carried out here and the number will become 12. I need to draw 12 lines in the combination of 12 each. Let's erase this first and draw 12 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lines. Is it divisible by 12? Yes, it is divisible by 12 with 1. Let's write down the answer here 1. So your answer is 21. After dividing 252 divided by 12, your answer is 21. That is equals to $21. One box is showing you $24. In the question, he is asking how much more money does he has. He has 2 boxes more, so I have to calculate the answer for 2 boxes. If one box is equal to $21, so 2 boxes is equal to 21 times 2. If you multiply that, your answer will be equal to $42. That will be your answer. Let's see how did we multiply that. If you have to multiply 21 times 2, 21 will be written as 20 plus 1. Put the bracket here and multiply it by 2. That will be equal to 20 is multiplied by 2 plus 1 is multiplied by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So this will be 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is equal to $42. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.